Hi everyone, this is me again. In this occasion, I'm going to review with you about meditation. You remember that in my authentical channel, Reynolds, that I don't remember, Reynolds Ramirez, something like that. Sadly, someone took it. But what I'm going to teach you now is kind of special, but at the same time, it's not super duper duper obsessively necessary, but it's necessary. Okay, what I'm going to teach you is the different types of doing the meditation that I told you that is good to the digestion of the food, right? I told you before that, for example, this one is a baby seat position. I made a whole video explaining that this one is one of the most common but also most healthy positions. But there are people that sadly they even put it in a spiritual way. Oh no, that position should not be known by everyone. No. The truth is that how can I say it? You can know it, but the thing is that you should use it just when it's necessary. I mean, it's not for you to be like the whole day like this. Just my opinion, okay? And trust me, I know what I'm saying. Being like this the whole day is not gonna help you exactly much, okay? But when you are resting, the legs especially, the legs and this connection here, this is very good. Now, do you remember the other one that I told you? This one, putting the foot like this with a little curve, maybe like this one, like let me see, like this on the foot, and also this foot just pointing not exactly to the front, but kind of twisted. You know why it is kind of twisted? Because you are like calling a point that is here, and I say like this because it is not there. Actually, it is you that is saying to the foot, listen, what I want you to do is to take the food and to take what is good to my reproductive system and to my legs and to my whole body. It's like saying, look, I am not an animal. I am a human. So, therefore, everything that goes down is going to go down and up as a human being, not for an animal. And that will lead the rest in a spiritual way to what? To the animals. Jesus said, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me shall never hunger. Whoever believes in me shall never thirst. In other words, he who understands him shall never be in necessity of fleshy food. And he who hears and believes in him shall never be in necessity of anxiousness or riches that are not necessary, because there are sometimes you have riches or things that are not exactly necessary, and that creates even an anxiousness that sometimes you don't realize that you have, but it is because you have things that you don't even need. It's good to store good things, but it's not good to have more than what is necessary. Because when you have more than what is necessary, it's like the food that I'm explaining. What will happen? If you don't digest the food and you don't say to your body that you're a human being, what will happen? Sadly, you will digest the food just like if you were like an animal in a certain way, and it will be more difficult. Just like in one book of the Holy Scriptures and the New Testament says that the praying sometimes is corrupted or stopped. it is not that the praying is stopped, but it is that when you know how to digest the food better, obviously, you will act, your body completely will be more balanced to who you actually are. Not to who you think, not to what others think, to who you actually are. It will not be a lizard to just behind your mirror, the one that is gonna make your image. No. And if you thought that I didn't know about those kind of things, yes, I knew it. Okay, just to finish, remember that opening is like leaving more space to the food, and closing is when you eat, let's say, something that you need that it be digested in an important way, in certain way. Let's say that you are talking. If you are talking much, it's good that you put it close, okay? But if you are not talking, you can put it like this. Now, just to finish, remember that also this position is the same, but the difference is that in this one is when you are like finishing the digestion. Let's imagine that you are doing this thing just for 1 hour. Well, it would be only 1 hour. But if you do it for more than 1 hour, actually it doesn't have much sense. We should not be obsessed. But if you do it, for example, watching a movie, you can do it putting the hands like this. Or putting the hands like this. But never stop this position when you are digesting. That is the main point of this video. And last detail that I missed in my old videos is this one. You see this position here in the leg? This one that is like this here, this position. That position sometimes hurts here between this part of the leg, this part and this part. Sometimes it hurts. But how do you fix it? Well, the thing is that it hurts. It's just like when you are stretching the body and you feel that you need to grow but you can't. Well, the thing is that you have to put it closer to here until you get used to it, and then you will go up and up while it doesn't hurt. Remember, it should not hurt, okay? If it hurts, you should put it closer, okay? And just to finish, and for you not to forget, remember to open the fingers here or to close it. If you close it, it means that you are eating, for example, fish. But if you are eating let's say cow meat, the cow meat is one of the meats that takes more time. Therefore, you should make an opening here, okay? Just like this. See you on the next occasion, and remember that Jesus Christ loves you much more than 20 channels that I could open on YouTube. I'm getting tired of this, by the way. I don't know who is the one that is so pleasant on destroying and putting in and placing again the things that I do. I am the same. I don't know them. See you. Jesus Christ loves you and affirm you, not in a rock of a human being, but He Himself. Amen.